Hello friends, Running Kimono. It is Sunday the 17th of July, and we're going to talk about a couple deals with digital coupons that just popped up this morning. Before you head out to the store, load these digital coupons, and we're just going to jog through the deals so you have the biggest savings this week over at Walgreens. I'm hyper because it's awesome. If you like these sort of videos of before you run out to the store, please like this video. It'll give me a gauge to keep making them or not. Okay, so the booster showed up, I believe, late Sunday night, early Saturday morning. This is the only one I got, which is 10 back when you spend 50. But definitely load it if you might have one. And if a paper booster prints for you over at Walgreens, yes, you can stack one paper along with this digital booster. How fun is that? Okay, the next two deals that we're going to look at are deals of the week. So if you wish to participate in both, you must do them in separate transactions as only one register reward will print per transaction. It's how it is over there. First one is the Dove, and we speculated at a high value coupon in Friday's video. So these Dove body washes, either the bar soap or the liquid, is $7 a pop, and we have a 7 off too. Now, over at most stores, like such as a Dollar General or even a Rite Aid, upwards of $11 for a Dove body wash. So they're practically giving it away at this cost this week. I'm not a really big fan of this body wash, but I'm still going to be buying it because it is such a great price point. So the promotion for this is to buy two to get back that $4 store register reward. So looking at the mathematics for this one, two of the Doves is 14 on the nose. Subtracting that 7 off two, you're paying 7 out of pocket. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the two or $1.50 per. It is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash if you're not doing this deal with a booster. You can spend that Walgreens cash to earn the $4 register reward. Okay, the next deal that I had a suspicion or a feeling about was the Tresemme, and we have a generous 4 off of 2. I was hoping for a 5 off of 2, but I guess I can't have everything in $1 million, but I'll take this. So this is also another deal of the week, and we're going to grab the Tresemme priced at 2 for $10. Don't grab the $12 stuff, grab this one. And again, on the same promotion of earn a $4 reward when you get 2. So grabbing 2 of them for $10. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying 6, getting back that $4 store register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 each. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Now, the next two deals we're going to look at, I don't know what's up with Dove or Unilever, but we have a $4.79 off of 2 Dove hand washes, so load this one. We also have a $4.99 off of 2 off of the sanitizers. Unfortunately, you're getting nothing back for that, but it equals to very cheap like hand wash or hand sanitizer. Grabbing 2 of the hand soaps for $8, subtracting the $4.79 off of 2, you're paying $3.21 for the 2 or $1.60 per. For the sanitizer, a little bit better deal. 2 for $8, subtracting that $4.99 off of 2 digital, and you're paying $3.01 or $1.50 per. If you wish to buy all 4 in one transaction, absolutely go for it. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. My favorite subject ever, which is toilet paper. So that $5 Scott Comfort Plus is $5 on the nose. We have a $1 manufacturer for the Scott toilet paper and the $1.25 IVC, dropping this guy down to $2.75. That is called stock up price. Make it happen. Yes. Also with the Kleenex, the $4.99 box count for $4.99. We do not have an IVC anymore for that, but we do have a $1 manufacturer dropping this down to $3.99 for 3 boxes of the Kleenex. And not a lot of deals for this lately. So if you like Kleenex, this is a deal pour vous. Also, Angel Soft for $5. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, dropping this down to $3.50. So if you've been kind of shy with the paper products in your stockpile, this is definitely a week to make it happen with these last 3 paper deals. Now, as I suspected, $2.49 for the Palmolive. We have a $1 digital coupon, dropping this guy down to $1.49. This is even cheaper than Dollar General. So Walgreens is the store this week for the deals. You've heard it here first. Now, this is the deal I was kind of like, what are the coupon are they going to give us? It makes it a freebie. So $2.99, get back a $5 reward when you buy 2. Now we have $1 off, and as you can see right next to it in the right hand column, $2.99. So it's attaching. So load this $1 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of the toothpaste for $5.98, subtracting that 1 chintzy $1 coupon. Hey, we'll take it. You're paying $4.98, getting back a $5 register reward, making this free. If you're doing this deal without a booster, because I know a lot of you are not getting boosters, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that reward. It should work for you. Now, a couple crystal ball, I was like, I think we might get some coupons. I was wrong. The All We Have No Digital coupon, the one that's $3.99, that's the price. There's a higher value All, but it's for the big mama, not that one. Also, I really thought Olay would give us a really high value digital coupon. That's not happening. And Nivea, no high value digital for that. Maybe use a register reward in lieu if you really want to stock up on these products. Now, before I take off to the store, if you can track down this clearance face cream by Olay for $31.99 on clearance for $16.99. We have a $12 digital, dropping that down to $4.99. Use some Walgreens cash as I did yesterday and pay tax on this. Of a product that's almost $32, really worth it. So if you're in the skincare aisle, scour for this one. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.